Alright, so hey natural people, how we doing? I recently made a TikTok account and it's slightly embarrassing. No one really knows about it yet, but this is what I have. I'll just show you. So it's gonna pop up here. Alright, so not my proudest moment, but I would say I'm not like entirely embarrassed, but what can I say? I'm Gen Z. It's in my blood, you know? We expected it to happen. It was bound to happen. So now that we're done catching up, here is what we're going to be learning today. Drum roll, please. We are going to be making lipstick. So I've already done the honors of making it myself before shooting this video, and I would say it's one of my proudest accomplishments. More prouder than TikTok, of course, and I really like it. So for ingredients, we will be needing that good old coconut oil, that whipped shea butter, organic white beeswax pellets, beetroot powder, and cocoa powder. These two will be great in helping us with shading. So down to the bare essentials, you will need something to hold your lipstick in, a glass jar, a pot, and access to water. And without further ado, we are going to make lipstick. So let's go. Don't wear your fanciest clothes when you're making this, just because you're dealing with waxes and powders, and it would suck to see your nice clothes get messed up. 2, I would say you should be pretty quick on your feet in this process, just because you're dealing with waxes and things that solidify pretty quickly when in colder temperatures, so it would be good if you could just work, you know, according to pace. And 3, I would say the process is actually a lot smoother than you think it would be. So there you have it. I taught you how to make lipstick today. Now it's up to you whether or not you're going to better your life by making it yourself, okay? And thanks for watching. Thank you for sticking with me throughout all of these pretty interesting videos, and I hope to see you again. Remember, every Friday. Peace.